I'm Saurabh. I am the president of TAI Ahmedabad, and I have a software company for the last 30 years in various guises and forms. And right now we are, somebody asked, how's business? So, well, I can tell you from the bottom. Right now we are absolutely at the bottom. We provide travel technology to about 200 and 175 companies across the world, and on a SaaS license platform, we have. So right now, you can imagine what kind of business we are in and how much business do we have. I think I'll turn it over to Sanjay rather than talking more about it. Sanjay.
Hi, I'm Sanjay Desai. I run a manufacturing unit out in the outskirts of Ahmedabad. We manufacture ferrous castings, which are mostly used in the automotive clutch transmission. And we also make parts for the oil and gas and industrial equipment components. Next, thanks.
Professor Shailendra, over to you.
I'm currently at MICA, where what we have done this year, responding to COVID, we've made entrepreneurship mandatory for every student entering MICA. It's mandatory.
Wonderful.
Meaning that either they have to create a business or be part of a startup. So basically, they're going through a process where they are coming up with ideas now, and they are pitching for students to join them. So each student can come up with an idea and pitch to other students. And we are also inviting some startups from Gujarat, from iHub and iCreate, basically to come and also pitch for these students to join them. The idea is that over the 2 years that they are with us, that they should be doing entrepreneurial activities all through. The idea is that if they engage with entrepreneurship so intensively, maybe at the end of 2 years, 10% of them will decide to become entrepreneurs, and we'll be thrilled if that happens, right? Currently they wait for a couple of years before they become entrepreneurs. We hope that cycle time can be shortened. So that is one. The idea here is that we focus largely on digital and marketing heavy businesses, because that is the core strength of MICA. And if you have startups that you are involved with that you think would benefit from the induction of MICA students, we would be very happy to have you formally become part of our process.
Yeah, hello, I'm Arun Patel. Yeah, I'm from SLTL. We are basically a leather company, mostly in technology. We do a lot of IT-based ANN and AI technology, particularly for diamond industry, for mine to marketing, with the technological manufacturing. We also do a lot of things in electronics and telecommunications for RF and microwave, for telecom towers and other things. We also do industrial lasers for military, defense and space technology, also industrial purpose also. So we supply and export most of 31 countries for laser systems. We have previously more than 31 patents on names, particularly for diamond industry.
I'm Chirag Patel. I run a software technology company providing product engineering services on an outsourced basis. So we engage with large enterprise clients in the US as well as in UK, and building their software products, mostly cloud and SaaS-based solutions. We have a long-standing experience in that area, almost 15 plus years, doing mission-critical and high-availability architecture solutions for, mission-critical industries like healthcare, telecom, and whatnot. And so that's the experience we are packaging. And, we have long-term relationship with most of our clients, 3-4 years running. And, that's one of the things that I do. I also like to work with early stage companies. So I'm very involved with the 3 or 4 of the leading incubators in and around Ahmedabad, working with startups, helping them raise funds, mentoring them in this development. So that's kind of my passion, and that keeps me busy on weekends. And that's it from my end. I'm also obviously very, very active with TAI. one of the founding members for TiE Ahmedabad, and the recent ex-president for TiE Ahmedabad as well.
Thank you, Chirag. Shailesh ji.
Yeah, good afternoon, friends. My name is Shailesh Goel, and I run a company called Simulations Public Affairs Management Services. We are primarily into public relations, media management, and digital media content production, actually. So we work with some of the American companies and the multinational corporate communication and media companies also. And lately, our focus has been more on digital media content production. So we are active in that direction, and we are actively seeking the tie-ups and the the consumption pattern production in this particular area also. So that was one of the idea of getting aggressive in the TiE membership also. So otherwise, most of us are known to us, each other. So thank you.
Okay.
And if I may add, I have just taken over chairmanship of Indo-American Chamber of Commerce the day before.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And I invite all of you to be member and support us in actively doing programs. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, Shailesh bhai. Naresh bhai, Sangvi.
Hi, I am Naresh Sangvi from Rajratna Group. We are primarily into manufacturing of stainless steel products like stainless steel wires, fasteners, pipes. We make solar modules. We have a plant for making aluminum extrusions, and also a small IT service company. We are primarily basically as a family-owned business, and we are part of a family and looking for some new investment opportunities.
My name is Paresh Vasani. I'm a TiE fan. I would not call myself as a member. I really like TiE. I made a lot of friends. So it's a great networking event. I come from a manufacturing background. We have a factory in Gandhinagar manufacturing a printed circuit board. It's an electronic component. And we started recently component assembly also on a PCB. We also have a small manufacturing location in Southern California. And recently I become president of Electronics Industries Association of India, New Delhi. And I am kind of having a small, very interesting request or requirement. I have an idea. I have a little bit of money, but I'm looking for some young person or persons who would be working with me as a startup, and then we can start a couple of ideas where I can support initially. So if you come across or if you know somebody who is looking for opportunities in an entrepreneurship journey, I would like to work with that person. Thank you.
In which field?
The electronics, obviously, and mechanical.
Okay, I'll keep in mind.
Great. Thank you, Paresh. And
Munir Thakur, member since last maybe 2-3 years. I run a company called Silicon Computer. We are into IT solutions and try to focus on two current, I would say, hot verticals like digitization and cloud. Mainly, we have customers across India only. And apart from that, I am also a very active member of TiE and try to mentor a few startups. I've invested in a few startups, active angel investor, and I attended many TiEcons across India. So I really appreciate activities done by TiE, all chapters. And I think in current times, I would say cross connection between all TiE chapters make a lot of sense. And I think it is happening very effectively. So really happy about it. Thank you.
thank you, Munir. Rajat.
Hi everyone, my name is Rajat Singhania. I'm currently residing in Baroda, originally from Delhi. I wear 2-3 hats, so I'll talk about them. I've been in the infrastructure space for about 25 years. I've been in the IT space working with as a backend BPO office for US clients for about 20 years. And about 3 years ago, I started working on my own startup. So we have created a knowledge management platform which works on top of any and all products you use to make you more productive, help you with collaboration with better security. So that's a brief.
Palak bhai.
Yeah, this is Palak Sheikh. So I'm passionate about institutional building. I've been part of the founding team of setting up Pandit Deendayal Petroleum University. Currently, I'm working to set up a Geo Institute, which is a multidisciplinary research university to be set up by Reliance Industries. Fortunately, I could convert my passion into the entrepreneurship also. So I run a company called AduProgress, where we provide the consulting for starting new institution and university. And in last 5-6 years, we would be able to help at least 10 new universities to come up in Gujarat.
Hi everyone, Deval Parikh. I'm also doing a few different things right now. I'm on the board of 3 companies, 2 of which are startups in different parts of the ecosystem. One's in electric vehicle space, and one is in micro retail commerce. Also have been in the IT and telecom space for the last several years, and most recently with an AI company based out of the US looking at selling some search technologies for large e-commerce companies and telcos. I also spent a fair bit of time in telecom in India with Reliance Jio from the early days all the way up to just about after launch. And then other companies like Brightstar, which is a subsidiary of the SoftBank Group. So yeah, that's me. And I've been with TiE for a number of years, initially in Silicon Valley and then here in Ahmedabad. So,
thank you,
great
Dev.
to meet all of you.
Thanks, Deval. Jitendra.
Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Jain, and basically we run a company called Frequency Financial Private Limited, and we work as a CFO and management consultants to various SME startups and growing companies. So along with this, we do a lot of corporate trainings and seminars on to educating the entrepreneurs about the importance of financial management and how to read balance sheet. Plus, we help the companies to get listed in the SME IPO segment and pre-IPO advisory. So, along with this, any kind of a taxation advisory or something, we have 5 branches as of now in Baroda, Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, Gandhidham. So, any customers like presence in Gujarat, so we can help to them. So I am a new member to TiE because only one session I was able to attend in the last year. After that, because of COVID, we did not get the opportunity to interact with one-to-one.
Thank you, Jitendra. Next is Namrata.
Hi everyone, hi Saurabh, hi everyone, nice to see you guys after such a long time. This is Namrata Gupta. My background is all technology. I run a company along with co-founders called Synovish Technologies Private Limited. It's Ahmedabad-based companies into digital services, mainly into IT services, I would say. Offering digital transformation and enterprise applications kind of services to our customer. It's started about 10 years back, this company, about 200 plus people right now. I'm involved in the operations and the customer side of things, and also active in the local ecosystem with TiE, NASSCOM, and other local startup events. TiE has been one of, I would say, more of a personal kind of forum for all of us, since we've been associated with it for quite some time. and happy to see some interactions after a long time, and happy to be part of any kind of help that I can provide from my side. Yeah, that's a quick background from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Namrata. Sharvil.
Yeah, hi everybody. This is Sharvil Parikh. I run a small investment fund and also some investment management services. I am fairly involved with TIE and get involved with certain initiatives. I think TIE serves a great purpose by connecting various members of business with young entrepreneurs. I am also, somebody mentioned in the beginning of the meeting, how is everybody's business doing? And right now that has also, by virtue of force, become a passion of mine. And the divergence between market reactions and the actual economy is amazing to watch. And I also serve on a board of a couple of startups and always looking for interesting opportunities. That's about it.
Thank you, Sharvil. Pulkit.
Hello, hi everybody. I run an advisory company called Right Pillar Advisors. So I've been into investment banking for almost now 12 years. Have done at least 4 main bourse IPO, 4 SME IPO, almost a dozen private equity M&A transactions. So I've raised and advised almost $200 million of capital. A large part of work, what we do is doing follow-on rounds and exits for existing funded companies. So, the sweet spot is doing $2 million to almost $20 million of check sizes. I think we're running a fairly sizable book currently. We have a $100 million pipeline. So as Saurabh bhai said, correct, most of the businesses are going down, correct? So that's where the capital requirement comes in. So I think we're seeing a good value, and I think we're trying to take maximum benefit of TIE's global network, trying to talk to, I think Piali has done a phenomenal effort on that side. We're taking baby steps, and I hope what we're doing is also benefited to other members in the ecosystem. I think that's it from my side.
Thank you, Pulkit. Dhruv.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Dhruv Shah, hardcore mechanical engineer and running few companies. I think it's named, it's a Prasad group of companies. So few company I started on my own, a few as a part of a family business. Having a joint venture with Germany, Italian and Swedish companies. I also ventured as a part of entrepreneurship to infrastructure, made one scheme, made very good profit, but didn't find it interesting. So left those field. My financial goal was achieved long back. So not keen for that. I'm connected with more than 24 NGOs. And in 6 NGO, I'm very actively involved. Others is only just contribution. Really looking for that if you have any social enterprise where I can connect, I would like to involve and even invest. Any NGO, if you know, really doing good job, yes, please connect with me. Past chairman of Young Indian, CII, Roundtable, and now in TIE, learning with Saurabh bhai, Chirag bhai, Sharvil, Sanjay bhai, and all those doing all these things lost my original passion for hiking, trekking, badminton. So looking for somebody who can pull me back. That's all.
Thank you, Dhruv. Thank you very much. Shruti.
Hi everyone, Shruti Kushwaha here. I used to be a medical advisor before. Now I run a product engineering and service company. We help companies develop hardwares in electronics, IoT. We're specializing in Industry 4.0. I am also coming up with my own wine label. Probably by next year. We have designed everything and we are looking for seed investments on wine. And I am associated as a partner in businesses on glass, crystals, and FMCG.
Great. Thank you, Shruti. Kaushal.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Kaushal Mehta. Currently, I lead India operations for T-Tech. It's a large global customer experience and technology company. Prior to that, my co-founder and I, Parul Mehta, and I had a company called Motive, which we ran for 17 years and became part of T-Tech completely 20 years, about 3 months back. And prior to that, we had a software company for 3 years and lived in the US for 10 years before that in Silicon Valley, working for technology companies. And from Ahmedabad originally, was a member of TIE in 1992 in Silicon Valley, the year TIE was founded, and past chairman of the Ahmedabad Center, and happy to be here after a long time. Courtesy Piali, who got me involved in a mentorship address with students of a university recently, and here. Nice meeting you.
Thank you, Kaushal. Dr. Paresh Karia.
Okay, very good afternoon. I'm Dr. Paresh Karia. I work with Otis Elevator for almost 30 years, so almost Google in elevator industry. So if you need any support on elevator, escalator, I am there. Right now, I'm running 2 companies. Number one, ASEAN Institute of Quality India. So we are in boardroom advisory and merger and acquisition. And the second company is PV and Associate, which is in elevator, escalator, planning and third-party audit and inspection. I'm also a chairman in program committee at AMA, Ahmedabad Management Association. Even gas faculty to Nirma, Symbiosis, I think many colleges. So if you need any support, we are there. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Paresh bhai. People are Utsav, yeah.
Hey, hi everyone, this is Utsav. I'm a chartered accountant by profession. Started my journey in May 2008 when I passed out, my final CA examinations. Had the privilege of working with Deloitte for 5 years, and then I think passion for entrepreneurship stuck me. So I joined a startup called EZDI, and now we are venturing into a new service line called Shape, which basically means shaping any kind of AI. So we basically today serve all the global companies in all the global markets, likes of Amazon, Google, Microsoft, all of them, supporting their entire data ecosystem. So, as AI and ML is becoming the new norm, we are currently working with them to provide services like, data sourcing, data annotation, data labeling, data de-identification. Prior to that, we were in healthcare sector, so we carry forward that experience as well, and work with a lot of leading health tech companies as well. Look forward to network with all of you and work with all of you. Also, we are looking at funding aggressively, and yeah, I mean, heard from all the members, and very nice to know all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Utsav. I think next is Prashant.
Good afternoon. My name is Prashant, and I'm one of the co-founder and CEO of Sunverge Technologies company, which I founded along with Namrata, Ritesh, and Jayanta 10 years back. I guess Namrata covered most in terms of what we do. So essentially, we are a digital transformation and a product engineering company. Work with customers in the US primarily, and we do have customers in India where especially we work with large customers and help them with their digital journey, right from, let's say, conceptualization to multiple rollouts and so on and so forth. In addition, very interestingly, we also work with startup as a part of our business, and we have a fairly unique model when we work with startups, wherein what we essentially do is, let's say, work with startup right from, let's say, conceptualizing what the platform is all about, what the business model is. And in few cases, when we have liked this startup, right, what we have also done is we have taken sort of an equity position and kind of given them sort of funding in a way so that we can help the startup in terms of, let's say, building the whole platform, work with them in terms of defining their tech strategy, sales and marketing strategy, and so on and so forth. So that's something we've been doing for quite some time. So with that process, we do have investments in 4 startups as we speak today. And we are the ones who are providing complete engineering services for them as well. Been a TiE member since 2015, or well, actually 2016. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Prashant. I think that leaves Chirag now.
I think Chirag is the last one now.
Okay, there is.
No, I'm back, don't worry. Hello everyone, I'm Chirag Thakkar. We run a school with the brand name of Learning Trees. I joined TiE before, I think, 8-9 months. I have attended TiECon as well, and it was a great event. Recently in the March, before this COVID or pandemic, we have started a new co-working space with the name of Opulence, which is, I think, Ahmedabad's premium co-working space. Though we have started in March, right, we are 100% occupied, and we are going to start another co-working space in near, you know. So we are situated at Privy-Lawn building. The idea behind making a co-working space was that in Gujarat, we don't have any platform where we can provide a proper ecosystem for startup and investors. So that was a completely idea. And after joining TiE, I think TiE can help us a lot to build this ecosystem in Gujarat.
Yeah, definitely. And Chirag is a passionate golfer.
Thank you.
So I am kind of part of a real estate group, which is one of the oldest in India. And so that's one hat which I'm wearing. And I'm also co-founder and investor in early stage startups with some interest being in social startups that work in the social sector as well as in tech. And then I'm also involved with a lot of other institutions on the board of incubators of Ahmedabad University, Ganpat University, and EDI, and also an active member of the Ahmedabad Angel Network. So yeah, these are the small things. And I'm also the president of Alliance Française, which is a French education cultural institution. It's a network of around 1,100 across the world. So those are the things that I'm involved with.
Okay.